Hi, Dr. Martin. So the purpose of this vlog is just talk about generic drugs. Again, generic drugs, as you previously mentioned before, are simply medications that share similar formulas or exact formulas to medication currently on the market, such as aspirin, which are basically produced and marketed in different ways by different companies, and will be approved basically based on budget constraints because, again, benefits will be the same. You can do simply use a cost minimization analysis. And what it comes down to is whether people are should we be focusing on using generic drugs, or should pharmaceuticals have the ability to release the drugs in their full entirety in the way they released it. And again, it comes down to the fact that a lot of pharmaceuticals, when they release the original drug, they're severely overpriced, and because of that, you tend to get a disparity in what like treatment, and a lot of people can't afford to pay those drugs. But then again, so generics give us a way in order to hand out drugs to the masses at a reduced cost. Then again, I think you mentioned before that generics or cost minimization or uptake in generics is maybe limited because it's the same drug and what already works, so we may not need to do it or implement it here in Canada. Again, it was said that there's probably hundreds of birth control medications out there, but because the formula or method we have is currently sound, a lot of people aren't going to uptake them. What it comes down to currently is, if we think of this in a third world perspective, all these different drugs and generic types being made could be like amazing, based on the constraints or like budget constraints or just supply constraints of the precursors needed. A lot of countries could find these different derivatives very useful, and a lot of other countries may not be able to afford the top-notch pharmaceutical brands, allowing generics to be basically the next best thing. All right, thank you. I'll be back soon.